Hello guys, welcome to my class. So I'll be handling biology classes from today onwards. So we will start with the chapter 2 human reproduction. So as we know, humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous. What is viviparous? Viviparous means giving birth to directly young ones. Okay. There are some reproductive events in human beings which include the first one is gametogenesis. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is nothing but formation of gametes. We can say formation of sperms in males and ovum in females. So after gametogenesis, the second step will be insemination. What is insemination? Insemination means the transfer of sperm into female genital tract. This is called as insemination. The third step will be fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete. So here the male gamete is sperm and the female gamete is ovum. So this fusion will take place and will give rise to zygote. Okay. And again this zygote will undergo series of division and leading to the development of blastocyst. We will see what is blastocyst in the further classes. And the fourth step is implantation. What is implantation? This blastocyst will get attached to the uterine wall. This blastocyst will attach to the uterus wall. This step is called as implantation. And the fifth will be gestation. Gestation is nothing but embryonic development. And the last step will be parturition. Parturition is nothing but the delivery of baby. So, what we have done so far, there are series of reproductive events that takes place in human beings. The first will be gametogenesis, second will be insemination, third will be fertilization, fourth will be implantation, fifth will be gestation, and sixth will be parturition. What is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is the formation of gametes, that is sperms in males and ovum in females. Insemination will be the transfer of sperm into female genital tract. Okay. Third will be fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male and female gamete. Male gamete is sperm and female gamete is ovum. These two will fuse to form zygote. Under mitotic and meiotic divisions, it will form blastocyst. This blastocyst will attach to the uterine wall. This process is called implantation. And after implantation, there will be gestation, that is called embryonic development. And the last step will be parturition, that is delivery of the baby. Okay. Now let us discuss about male reproductive system. So, in male reproductive system, this is located in pelvis region. The first point, the location is pelvis region, and this include first one a pair of testes and accessory ducts. Accessory ducts include rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vasa deferens. And the third include glands. Accessory glands. It has three glands. The first is seminal vesicle, the prostate gland, and the other is bulbourethral gland. And the last one is external genitalia. This include penis. Okay. Now let us look at the picture and we'll see what is there in that. Okay, as we said, the pelvis region is the where the male reproductive system is located. And when it comes to the male reproductive system, these are a pair of testes, that is two testes. Here the accessory ducts are the rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vasa deferens. These four are the accessory ducts. And seminal vesicle, prostate, and bulbourethral gland. These three are the accessory glands, and the external genitalia, that is glands penis. Okay, let us look into the anatomy of male reproductive system. So when it comes to anatomy, the testes are located at the pelvic region. That is, it is situated in abdominal cavity within a pouch-like testis is located in a pouch-like structure called scrotum. Okay, a pair of testes, these two testes will be located in a pouch-like structure called scrotum. What is the function of the scrotum? This will help in maintaining low temperature. Okay, that will be around 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius, lower than the normal internal body temperature. So I said scrotum will help in maintaining the low temperature of the testis. Why it is needed? It is necessary for spermatogenesis. In adults, testis is oval in shape. Length will be around 4 to 5 centimeter and width will be around 2 to 3 centimeter. This is not that much important. And these testes will be having a dense covering and it will be having 250 compartments. These compartments are called testicular lobules. In this diagram you can see this is testis. It is having a 250 compartments. You can't see 250 compartments, but assume 250 compartments are located in this testis. It is called as testicular lobules. Okay. Each lobule will be containing 1 to 3 high coiled seminiferous tubules. These testicular lobules have, each lobule have 2 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubule. Okay. And again this tubules will be lined with male germ cells and Sertoli cells. So what will this male germ cells will do? It will undergo meiosis and produce sperm. That means sperm formation will be occurring in male germ cells. So what will the Sertoli cells will do? This will provide nutrition to the germ cells. Okay. So these Sertoli cells will provide nutrition to the germ cells, and these male germ cells will undergo meiosis and help in sperm formation. The regions outside the seminiferous tubules, it is called interstitial cells. The spaces, you can see the spaces in the next figure. These spaces are called interstitial cells or Leydig cells. So what will this Leydig cell will do? Leydig cell help in synthesis of androgen. What is androgen? Androgen is a testicular hormone. It is only secreted in male reproductive system. This is a male testicular hormone. Next, as I said before, the male sex accessory ducts include rete testis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vasa deferens. Okay. This vasa efferentia leaves the testis open into the testicular lobule. Okay. And this vasa efferentia will lead to epididymis, and this epididymis will lead to vasa deferens, and this will go into loop into the urinary bladder. This urinary bladder receives many ducts, that is seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral glands into the urinary bladder. These three glands will secrete seminal plasma. Okay. The seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral glands will help in the secretion of seminal plasma. Okay. This glands will open into urethra. This is known as urethra. It is also known as ejaculatory duct. This urethra is also known as ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport sperms from testes to the penis. Okay. Through urethra it will come out. This urethra originates from urinary bladder. From urinary bladder this urethra will originate and will extend through the penis and its opening called as urethral meatus. Okay. So we are done with testis, accessory glands and accessory ducts and accessory glands. So then the last part is external genitalia. This external genitalia includes a special, it is made up of a special tissue which helps in erection of penis. Okay. This erection of penis will help in, this facilitates in insemination. Okay. The enlarged end of penis is called glans penis. It is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. Covered by foreskin. Okay. The external genitalia will be having a penis. It is made up of a special tissue which helps in erection. This special tissue will help in erection of penis. This facilitates insemination. Okay. The enlarged end of the penis will be called glans penis. It is covered by a foreskin. Then the male accessory glands include seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral glands. These accessory ducts will secrete seminal plasma which is rich in fructose and calcium. This accessory glands, what are the accessory glands? Seminal vesicle, prostate and a pair of bulbourethral glands. This help in secretion of seminal plasma which is rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. This secretion will help in lubrication of the penis. So this is about male reproductive system. We will be dealing with the female reproductive system in the next class. Till then, bye.